Want players to find your Roblox game? Here are 5 fast tactics that actually work. First, use social media, post short clips, behind the scenes, and quick updates to build buzz. Second, make a punchy trailer. Lead with a 3-second hook and highlight your best gameplay moments. Tip 3. Host in-game events with limited rewards to spark urgency and repeat visits. Tip 4. Cross-promote with other creators, swap shoutouts, guest roles, or bundle offers. Tip 5. Join developer communities to get feedback, collabs, and organic promotion. Mix tactics. Post daily clips, drop trailers when hype is high, and schedule monthly events. Optimize your store page. Clean thumbnail, punchy description, and a crystal clear play button. Use analytics, a /B test thumbnails and track retention to see what keeps players coming back. Collaborate with streamers and creators to bring live audiences directly into your game. Keep players hooked with regular updates, seasonal content, and shoutouts to your community stars. Ready to level up your game? Publish an update, share it now, and invite friends to play. See you in-game.